Hi, it's the pharmacist from Pharmacy Express. Today in this video we'll be discussing how to use the Wegovy FlexTouch pen. So in this box you have one pen, 4 needles. You'll also receive some alcohol wipes and a sharp spin. So wash your hands with some antibacterial hand wash and wipe down your injection site and the pen with an alcohol wipe. Then it's time to attach the needle onto the pen. So if you peel back the paper tab and you screw the needle onto the pen until it's tight. Try not to use too much force so that the pen is not damaged. Then remove both outer needle caps. For the first dose, it's important that you prime the pen. To do this, if you twist the dose counter until the flow check symbol appears. Hold on to the end of the pen until a droplet of the medication comes out of the needle, and this shows that there are no air bubbles. This step does not need to be repeated for any further doses. Once this has been done, it's time to set the prescribed dose on the dose counter. Insert the needle into your site of injection and hold down onto the pen for 6 seconds until 0 appears on the dose counter again. This means that the prescribed dose has been administered. Remove the needle from the site of injection, place the needle cap back onto the needle, and this means it's safe to unscrew it and place it into the sharp spin. You can then put the cap back onto the pen and it's ready to use for your next dose. Regarding storage of the pens, it's safe to store the pens in the fridge or outside of the fridge as long as the temperature doesn't exceed 30 degrees. Once the pen has been opened and used, it's safe to use for no longer than 30 days.